Easter bunny?
Yeah.
Wow. Is that for you?
Yeah.
How do you know?
I'll paint this one.
Put it down and look at all the stuff in the basket. Wow.
I'll paint this one.
Okay, we can paint. We can paint. Put
We
it
can
back.
paint. Let's see what else is in the basket.
Okay. I will not stop her. Wow. Good.
Who's that?
Big fan.
Pete Pan? Look on the back of it. Look on the back. Who's on the back?
Captain Hope.
What else is there? Keep looking. Keep looking in the basket.
Oh, some stickers. Stickers.
Awesome. Look, keep looking. Keep looking in the basket. What's that?
My big pie.
Wipe your paws. Another coloring book? Oh my. Are you going to color with Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep looking. Keep looking in there. Keep looking. What else is there?
Round.
Wreck it, round.
And wreck it.
I'm going to wreck it.
You can wreck it. It's a book.
Keep looking. Keep looking. What's that? Ooh, sleepy socks?
Yeah. I'm wearing this one.
You do?
Not very really.
Not really.
What's that?
Really hard. Go right there. Ooh, like a pie. Go right there, kid. It's Jackie Frost.
Jack Frost.
I want to watch that movie.
Me too.
Me too. On the TV.
On the TV, yes.
Pay that bitch. Take it out.
What else is in there? There's something else in there. Ooh, is that a little book for writing? You can draw in there and write. That's cool.
I want to color.
Oh, I thought you wanted to
On
play
the
with this
couch.
car.
On the couch.
We don't color on the couch.
This
Are you all done? Whoa. You all done?